name is Loretta Herring. I've been working with cancer survivors for the past 20 years. The work that I do it because of the passion I have for people, and I don't expect to get honored in anything that I do, but to receive an award like this was just awesome. I am an advocate, like I said, for cancer patients, and whenever I can help them through their cancer journey, it just brings me joy. A lot of the work that I do come out of the pain of my own experiences. And so I believe that whatever we do is for us to give back. It's not for us to hold on. A hero is any person that comes to the rescue of another, not because of the notoriety or the recognition, but because they have a passion in their heart for others. And to me, hero is just a term that's been placed on people who don't even recognize that they have that gift in them. Just a little help, let people know that somebody else is there who understand whatever their pain, whatever their difficulties they're facing, and just letting people know that you're there for them. My mother was diagnosed with cancer in 96. In 97, my sisters and I started a nonprofit cancer awareness network. And it says for children, but it's children of all ages because we were my mother's kids. And we didn't know how to deal with that pain, the discomfort of knowing that you got cancer. What are you gonna do when mom's hair started falling out? She started losing weight. And we're talking like 20-something years ago. And so they didn't have the technology that's there now. So we looked around for answers and couldn't find them. So we decided to take information to the communities. And so in 2010, believe it or not, I got diagnosed with breast cancer. So I got to see both sides of it. I got to see the side helping people get through their pain, and here now I am dealing with the same thing. So the Sorrow to Joy ministry is a ministry that helps people understand that walking through that pain, walking through that grief, you can find a sense of normalcy. You will never be the same, but you will be able to cope with the loss.